Two
letters, words.
Very good.
Many letters.
You know na this, love. Be.
Honey.
If.
You. On. She.
Very good.
In.
Very good.
Go.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Hindi. Me.
Me.
Ito po. Very good.
No.
Very
no,
good.
No, no.
Very good. Ito.
Five.
Very good. Very good.
Wait.
We.
We.
Ito.
Mama, we.
Opo. We.
It sounds like an hole there.
Oh, we.
We. Mommy. Mommy, look. Mommy. Again.
We.
We.
Next.
At.
Eat.
It. For.
Off.
Of. My. Or.
So.
Mommy, so. Two. On.
Very good. Good job, Ezra. And this is the next page.
Mommy.
Medial letter A, short vowel sound. At. At. O, yun.
Good job.
Very good. Next is? Very good. What is this?
Fat.
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 This one. Okay.
Cat.
O, ito po.
And a
Very good.
mat.
Very good.
Rat.
Very good. Very good.
Pat.
Very good. Wait lang, Ezra.
Pan.
Okay.
Pan.
Very good.
Man.
Okay.
Pan.
Very good.
Rat.
It's not rat. It's run.
One.
Van.
10.
Very good.
Pan.
Very good. Good job, Ezra.
Yes, I did.
Next.
Well, because Ezra.
Opo.
Well done, boy.
Boink.
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
Back.
Na. Ag.
Back.
This one.
Back.
Very good.
Back.
Very good.
I don't.
I think
Oopsie.
it's okay. Very good. Very good.
Back.
Very good.
What?
Very good.
Good job.
Good job.
Cup.
No. It's up.
Up.
Huh.
Cap.
Very good.
Lap.
Very good.
Nap.
Very good.
Mop.
Very good.
Tap.
Very good.
Wap.
Very good.
Tap.
Very good. Good job, Ezra. Next page, please.
Mommy has a tickle.
Oh.
Mommy has a tickle.
Oh.
Mommy tickle ako.
Tickle. Oh, ito.
That.
No. Add. Add.
Bad.
Very good.
Mommy bad.
No. The word is bad, but mommy is not bad. Correct?
Yes, I do wanna know okay.
Next is
Dad.
Dad. Very good.
And Ezra say I know basket. Boing, boing.
Toink. Boink. Next is
Pad.
very good, Ezra.
It's not pad, it's not ano. Let's go the ano.
Ano?
So many numbers.
Opo.
Mad.
Oh, mad. Ezra is mad. I'm sorry. Are you okay na? Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Sad. Paano yung sad? That is crying. That is not sad. Sad lang. Sad face. Sad face.
God.
This is ak. Ak.
Kinja. Back.
Very good.
and back
Very good.
and that
No, that is rock. Rock.
and that.
Very good.
Fuck.
Very good. Good job.
This one. Wow, it's the stickers. So much. That's easy.
It's easy. Oh. This is at.
This is pet.
Very good.
Okay.
What is this? What is this, lab?
Yeah.
Get.
And the mat.
Very good.
And the sweet.
No sweet. It's at. Set.
Sweet.
No, that is not correct, lab.
Ma.
That is at. Set.
No sweet.
No.
So sorry.
What is that?
Set.
Very good. This one, no, this one.
Net.
Mm.
And the wet.
Mm-hmm. How about this, lab? Lab, you forget this.
So sorry.
What is that? What is this, lab?
Wet.
Vet.
And
Then.
hen.
Very good.
Jen.
Very good.
B.
Not B. It's Ben. Ben.
Good job. Man.
Very good.
Ten.
Very good.
Ten.
Very good.
Zen.
Very good. Good job, Ezra. Next page, please. It's...
I got.
Oh, oh. Shh, shh, shh. Mwah. What is this, lab? Ed.
Ed.
Very good.
Bed.
Very good.
How about this one?
What is that? Huh? What is this, lab? Ed.
Bed.
Very good.
Mommy one.
This one.
Bed.
Very good.
Red.
Very good.
Ted.
Very good.
Red.
Very good.
What do you know that?
It's okay.
It's red.
No, this is
Red.
red. Very good.
Is that red?
This is L. L?
Bell.
Not
L.
well. L. Bell.
Bell.
Ito.
Foul.
Very good.
Sweat.
Not sweat. L. Cell.
Cell. Ear.
Very good.
Tongue.
Very good.
Well.
Well.
Good job.
Good job, Ezra. Dito sa part na po ito, nasa second level na po niyan kami ni Bunso para sa short vowel E. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang paggawa namin ng busy book ni Bunso para din po ma-ready siya kapag pumasok na po siya sa school. Kung gusto niyo pong makuha ang free PDF file po nito, just link in bio and follow our page po. Yun lang po for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.